When we are at the end of our conversation, what we say? To leave the conversation, we just say bye, right? Why don't we use some advanced words to take our English to the next level? So let's learn some smart words to replace the word bye. Hello dear viewers, I hope that you're fine and welcome to English with Redwan. So today we are going to be learning some advanced words to replace the word bye. So the first one is very simple, bye, and the next one is see you later. See you later or see you again. If there is a chance to meet that person again or later, you can say see you later or see you again. You can also say keep in touch, keep in touch, keep in touch. And the next one is very funny, cheerio, cheerio. এটার মানে হচ্ছে গিয়া বাই, মানে বিদায় বলার সময় এটা বলতে পারেন cheerio, cheerio. And the next one is ciao ciao, ciao ciao. Ciao ciao মানে হচ্ছে বিদায়, ciao ciao. কি বলবেন? ciao ciao. And these are of course informal, these are not formal. So, cheerio and ciao ciao, these are informal. You have to use these with your friends, not with your bosses or with your teachers. Instead of saying bye, you can also say peace out, peace out. Peace out also means bye. If you are leaving a conversation, you can use this expression. Actually, it's a British expression. British people most likely use this expression a lot in their conversations when they are leaving a conversation. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new. If you really do, I request you, I urgently request you, I humbly request you to please share and like my page, my YouTube channel. Peace out.